Laguna.
Magandang gabi, Laguna. Ako po ang inyong Mrs. Laguna Anilag 2024, Virginia Amatorio from Los Baños.
Bayan ng Alaminos! Mabuhay! Laguna! Sani Austria! Turusin! Pilatay Rancho! At mula sa lungsod ng Pitong Lawa! Santario! Christian Balanga, 39, mula sa Bayang Masini, the arts capital of Laguna, becoming capital of the Philippines. Bayan na ay Balangkasaya, Paete!
Mula sa Special Science sa Nature City at ang may pinakamasarap Pagupay, Arthur Casada, Sharduan, mula sa bayan ng Los Baños. Simone Cañas, 34, the City of Calabo!
Mr. Russell Hernandez Ramirez, 35, from the beautiful city of Seven Lakes, San Pablo!
Ako po si Christopher Pobre, mula sa bayan ng Rizal, Calamba City!
Lubilo, Naguense. Ako si Ami Reyes, 32, mula sa bayan ng San Pedro.
Reyes Neles, 20, Kabuyaw!
Magandang gabi, Lagunense. Mapagpalang gabi sa ating lahat. Maricel Argote Lorca, nagmula sa bayan ng Lubal, Laguna. Ivy Yakan, 30, from the
Let's remind as we welcome the ones who will guide us through this spectacular evening. Laguna, make some noise for our amazing host, Mr. Max Plaza and Mr. Randy Nodato.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my distinct honor and pleasure to welcome you all to the celebration of tonight's event. One heavenly night of beauty, intelligence, and history. This is the search for Mr. and Mrs. Laguna 2025.
This is a night of elegance, achievement, and inspiration, and I'm so thrilled to be your guide on this incredible journey. Sabi nga, mga Mr. at Mrs. naman ang bibida.
Kaya nga po mga kaibigan, before we proceed to the next part of our competition, I would like to request everyone to please give yourselves a warm round of applause. Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili. Thank you very much for sharing with us your time tonight, for witnessing this grand celebration for our Mr. and Mrs.
Again, people of Laguna, this is Mr. and Mrs. Laguna 2025. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, and Max, let's keep the ball rolling as we proceed with our first set of special awards.